welcome back to day 6 of our Python series. Today we are going to talk about the list operation, a fundamental part of working with the data in Python. From adding and removing items, let's get started. Okay, these are the operations of in lists. Okay, first operation is append and the second one is insert operation, third one is remove operation and fourth one is pop operation. Okay, first append means to add the new item at the end of the list. I will uh, explain the with example also. First, what is what I want to say, and next I will explain with an example, clear example. Okay, and second operation is insert. Here, insert is a new add new item at a specific position, in the middle position or the first position or the end position. Okay, and third operation is remove. Here, remove is removing the element from the list, like repeated elements. If you remove the repeated elements, okay, and pop. Pop operation is used to remove the element at the specific position, that is first position, last position, or middle position. These are the operations. Okay, I will explain the with examples. First operation is append. Okay, this is the example of append. Append means add a new item in the last. Okay, I'm taking fruits as apple, banana, and cherry. I will appending the orange at the last position. So the output is apple, banana, cherry, and orange. Now the second operation is insert. Okay. Now I am inserting fruits got insert at I am inserting first position, um like lemon, fruit or vegetable or which. Okay. Now print fruits. See, I'm inserting the first position as lemon. Okay. Now the third operation. In this above list, there are so many lemons, right? So now I'm removing the lemon. How to remove the lemon? Fruits dot remove of lemon. Then print fruits. See what happened. Lemon is removed, right? See, these are the list. And the fourth operation is pop. Okay. Now fruits dot pop. Pop means specific position, to remove the specific position. Okay, here I am popping in the list. Here index position 0 is apple, 1 is banana, 2 is cherry, and 3 is orange. I'm popping the second position, that is cherry. Okay, now print fruits. See, one more thing is I want to tell about the uppercase and lowercase also. Okay, of a string. um for example, my string hello. Okay, and I'm writing this in uppercase. Okay, now my string dot uppercase for see. Hello is in uppercase. Uppercase nothing but capitals. Okay. Now I'm not writing these statement in the lowercase also. That is see. Hello is in lowercase. Okay. Thank you for watching my channel. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. For the more updates, click the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you.